Today, we're going to learn how to create glass-blowing AI videos. And trust me, the process is much easier than you might think. Let's jump right in. First, we're going to copy this prompt. You'll find the link in the description and the pinned comment below. Next, we'll send it to ChatGPT, and it will automatically generate 10 different video ideas for us. Then, we'll simply choose the one we like best and send the idea number back to ChatGPT. From there, ChatGPT will generate everything we need to create the video. Click Copy to Image Prompt. Then, head over to the Google Flow website. Click New Project, then select these settings: Image 9:16, Nano Banana 2, and X1. Paste the prompt into the prompt box, then click Generate. Once your image has finished generating, go back to ChatGPT and click Copy to Video 1 prompt. Now return to Google Flow again. Click here, then select Video, Frames, 9:16, OmniFlash, 8 seconds, and X1. Click on the generated image, choose Animate, paste the prompt, and hit Generate. After the first video is finished, go to the last frame of that video and click Save Frame. Now, go back to ChatGPT one more time and click Copy to Video 2 prompt. Return to Google Flow, click the saved image, choose Animate, paste the second prompt, and click Generate. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye!